Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to merge cells in Excel. First, I will select the cells which I want to merge. And then on the Alignment tab, we have Merge and Center. And when we select the down arrow, we can see the four options here. Let me choose the first option, Merge and Center, and select it. As you can see, it combines all the cells, so the 6 cells which I had selected, into one large cell and also centered it. So the text is on the center. Let me undo this step and see what we can have with the second option. If we choose the second option, we can see that we have merged only rows. So we have one row and second row. Those 3 cells are merged into one, and 3 cells down are merged into the second row. Let's undo once again. Now we will select the third option, Merge Cells. As you can see, it works similarly to the first option. So all of the 6 cells are merged into one, but the text is not centered. So we can center it ourselves, and then we have exactly the same result as with that first option. If you want to undo the changes, you can select the fourth option, which is Unmerge Cells. Now all of the cells are as separate cells. There is one thing we need to keep in mind when merging. If you want to merge the cells when only the first cell has some text, there is no problem with it. We can just select all the cells and merge. So this is exactly what we did before. But if we want to merge cells where more than one cell contains text or some data, then we need to be aware that some of the data will be lost. So let's choose those 3 cells and say that we want to combine them. If I will choose Merge and Center, as you can see, all of those cells contain text. Then I will have such a pop-up message that merging cells only keep the upper left value and discards other values, which means that only this value will be kept. Let's select OK, and yes, the Bayern Munich is kept, but other data is lost.